Good morning, students. Welcome to Success Station. I am Vikrant Anand, and this is the second class of our chapter Real Numbers. Okay. So last class में हम लोगों ने क्या पढ़ा था? यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन लेमा देखा था हम लोगों ने एंड यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम और एक क्वेश्चन भी हम लोगों ने सॉल्व किया था based upon Euclid's division algorithm to find out the HCF of two positive integers. तो आज के क्लास में हम लोग क्या करेंगे, कुछ और क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे बेस्ड अपॉन यूक्लिड्स डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम. ओके, सो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं आज का फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. So the first question of today's class is use Euclid division algorithm to find out the HCF of 441, 567 and 693. So last class में हम लोगों ने दो पॉजिटिव इंटीजर्स HCF फाइंड आउट किया था. आज के क्लास में हम लोग क्या सॉल्व करने वाले हैं? We will find the HCF of three positive integers. Okay, so first स्टेप देखिए हमारा क्या होगा. यहाँ पे टोटल 3 नंबर्स हैं. तो अगेन मैं बोलूंगा आपको कि अगेन आप जूनियर क्लासेस में आप लोगों ने जो मेथड यूज किया था सेम टू सेम उसी मेथड को रिकॉल कीजिए. लाइक पहले हम क्या करेंगे, 441 और 567 का एचसीएफ हम लोग फाइंड आउट करेंगे और उन दोनों का जो एचसीएफ निकल के आएगा उस नंबर का और 693 का अगेन हम लोग एचसीएफ कैलकुलेट करेंगे और फिर वो लास्ट स्टेप में जो भी एचसीएफ हम लोगों का आएगा दैट विल बी द फाइनल एचसीएफ और द फाइनल आंसर. ओके, so let's start the problem. Okay, so first we will find the HCF of 441 and 567. So what I will write that since 567 is greater than 441, so applying Euclid's division algorithm to 567 and 441. Okay, यहाँ पे देखिए 567 is a greater number and 441 is a smaller number. So 567 we will take it as the dividend and 441 we will take it as the divisor. Okay, so let's start our process. 440, let's write over here 441 divided by 567. So 1 times 441 into 1, that is 441. Okay, so we'll subtract 7 minus 1 is 6, 6 minus 4 is 2 and 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, then apply here Euclid division lemma, that is 567 is the dividend is equal to divisor, that is 441 into quotient is 1 plus remainder is 126. Okay, now what we will do, we will shift this 441 over here, 441. So how many times? I think we will take it in 3 times. 6 into 3 is 18, 3 is 7, 3 is 3. Okay, yes, we will take it as 378 because अगर आप 4 टाइम्स करोगे तो वो 441 से ग्रेटर आ जाएगा. तो चेक करके देख लेते हैं. 126 into 4, 6 4s are 24, carry 2, 10. Okay, 6 carry 2, 4 2s are 10. That is 504. Okay, so it is greater than 441. Okay, understood? So 126 into 3 is what? That is 378. Okay, subtract 11 minus 8 is 3, 13 minus 7 is 6 and 3 minus 3 is 0. 63. Okay, so again we will apply Euclid division lemma over here, that is 441 is the dividend and 126 was the divisor and quotient was 3 and remainder was 60. So again we will shift this 126 over here. So I think 63 into 2 is 126. Check कर लेते हैं एक बार. 3 into 2 is 6, 6, 12, 126. Okay. So 2 times. यहाँ पे देखिए remainder 0 आ गया. Remainder is 0. It means that 63 is what? You can see in this step what is the divisor? The divisor is 63. So 63 is the HCF of 441 and 567. Okay. So 126 is equal to 63 into 2 plus 0. Okay, तो यहाँ पे 441 and 567 का तो हमें HCF मिल गया, that is 63. Now अभी हम क्या करेंगे, 63 और ये जो थर्ड नंबर है that is 693, इन दोनों का भी हम HCF फाइंड आउट करेंगे और इन दोनों का जो भी HCF आएगा that will be the final answer. Okay, means that value will be the HCF of 441, 567 and 693. Okay, understood? So what we will write that now applying Euclid's division lemma to which number 63, comma 693. Okay, so sorry, यहाँ पे मैं algorithm लिख दिया था ना. You have to write here you applying Euclid division lemma. Okay. Now applying Euclid's division lemma to 63 and 693. Okay, so let's apply. So greater number is 693. So let's say I think 63 into 10 is 630. I think 10 से ज्यादा आएगा तो 11 टाइम्स देखते हैं क्या वैल्यू आता है. 396 693. ओके, कैंसिल हो गया. 11 टाइम्स 693. So remainder is 0. So what is 63? Now 63 is the final HCF. मतलब final HCF means what? HCF of all these three numbers, that is 441, 567 and 693. So we'll write 693 was the dividend, divisor was 63, quotient was 11 and remainder was 0. So what we will write in the last step, that since remainder is 0. Okay, since remainder is 0 and the divisor in the last step is 63, so what we will write? That therefore HCF, okay, HCF of 567, HCF of 441, 567 and 693 is equal to what? Is equal to 63. 63 is the final answer. Okay, understood? So this is 63 is what? This is the final answer for your question. Okay, understood? तो यहाँ पे देखिए हमने वही यूक्लिड डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम को अप्लाई करके HCF of 3 numbers फाइंड आउट कर लिया. ओके, आगे बढ़ते हैं नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ. दैट इज क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ऑफ टुडेज क्लास. इस क्वेश्चन में हमें क्या करना है? यूज यूक्लिड डिवीजन एल्गोरिथम टू चेक व्हिच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पेयर ऑफ नंबर्स आर को-प्राइम. अगेन को-प्राइम नंबर्स क्या होता है? Two numbers are said to be co-prime if their highest common factor is equal to 1. मतलब अगर मेरे पास दो नंबर्स गिवन है और उन दोनों नंबर का अगर HCF that is highest common factor अगर वो 1 के इक्वल आता है, then what we will call 196 and 257 as co-prime. और अगर 1 के अलावा कोई भी वैल्यू आता है, okay, then what we will call that 196 and 257 are not co-prime. Okay, understood? यहाँ पे हमें वही चेक करना है. Okay, so let's apply Euclid division algorithm to 196 and 257. So what we will write? Since 257 is greater than 196, okay, so applying Euclid's division lemma to 257, 196. Okay, understood? So 196, 257. I think 1 times 196. 7 minus 6 is 1. 15 minus 9 is how much? That is 6. Okay, that is 6. Okay, now 1 minus 1 is 0. Now we'll write as 257 is equal to 196 into 1 plus 61. Again we will shift 196 over here. So 61 I think 3 times. So that is 183. 183. 6 minus 3 is 3. 9 minus 8 is 1. Okay, understood? So what I will write? 196 is equal to 61 into 3 plus 13. Okay. रिमाइंडर 0 नहीं आया, मीन्स हमें आगे और प्रोसीड करना होगा. तो मैं आगे का क्वेश्चन यहाँ पे सॉल्व कर रहा हूँ. 1361. So what is 13 4? 13 fours are 52. Okay, 13 fours are 52. Again, remainder is what? Remainder is 9. So we will write 61 as 13 into 4 plus 9. Okay, understood? We'll shift again 13 over here. So 9, 9. Remainder is what? Remainder is 4. Okay, remainder is 4. 9 into 1 plus 4. Okay. यहाँ पे स्पेस थोड़ा कम है तो मैं ये पोर्शन को रब कर रहा हूँ. ओके, आप इसे नोट कर लीजिए. ओके, इसके आगे मैं प्रोसीड करूंगा यहाँ पे लाइक 4 और 9 के साथ. मैं इसे रब कर रहा हूँ. Okay, 4 and 9. So 4 into 2 is 8. Again, remainder is 1. So what we'll write? 9 is equal to 4 into 2 plus 1. Okay, I will shift this over 4 over here. 1 into 4 is what? 4. So remainder is 0. So what we'll write? 4 is equal to 1 into 4 plus 0. So यहाँ आप देख सकते हैं remainder 0 आ गया. So what is the divisor at this step? The divisor at this step is 1. So what is 1? 1 is the HCF. 1 is what? 1 is the HCF of 196 and 257. Then what we will say that 196 and 257 are co-prime numbers because इन दोनों numbers का जो HCF है, that is highest common factor, वो 1 के equal आ गया. Okay, understood? So what we will write? That since HCF of 196 comma 257 is equal to 1, therefore 196 and 257 are co-prime numbers. Numbers. Okay, understood? Clear? Let's solve the second question. So I am rubbing this portion. आप लोगों ने ये नोट कर लिया होगा. Okay, I am rubbing this portion. So let's solve or let's find out the HCF of 123 and 546. Okay. So again what we'll write? It since 546 is greater than 123. So applying Euclid's division lemma to Euclid's division lemma to 546 comma 123. Okay, says 546 is the greater number, so we will take 546 as the dividend and 123 as the divisor. Okay, let's solve this. 123 546. How many times? 4 3s are 12, carry 1, 4 2s 8, 9, 490. It is less than. बट जब हम इसे 5 टाइम्स करेंगे तो वो 546 से ग्रेटर आ जाएगा. वो चेक कर लेते हैं. 4 से 12, कैरी 1. Okay, so that is 492. 492. 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, now 14 minus 9 is what? 14 minus 9. Okay, that is 5. Okay, and 4 minus 4 is 0. Now we will write here that 546 is equal to 123 into 4 plus remainder is what? Remainder is 54. Again you will write 123 over here. 54 into 2 is how much? That is 108. Okay. So remainder is how much? Remainder is 15. So again we will write here that 123 is equal to 54 into 2 plus 15. Okay. Now again we will shift this 54 over here. So 15 3 is a 45. Remainder is 9. Okay. So again we will write 54 is equal to 15. 54 was the dividend. 15 is the divisor into quotient plus remainder. 9. We will shift this 15 over here. So 9 ones are 9. What is the remainder? The remainder is 15 minus 9 is 6. Okay, 15 minus 9 is 6. So again we will write 15 is equal to 9 into 1 plus 6. Okay, understood? I will shift this 9 over here. So 6 into 1 is 6. 3. So 9 minus 6 is what? 9 minus 6 is 3. So again 3 is the remainder over here. So what we will write here? 9 is equal to 6 into 1 plus 3. I think इस स्टेप में आंसर आ जाएगा हम लोग का. यहाँ पे देखिए 6 है, यहाँ पे मैं लिख रहा हूँ, स्पेस थोड़ा कम है. 3. 6 को हम यहाँ शिफ्ट करेंगे. 3 2s are 6. रिमाइंडर देखिए 0 आ गया. It means what is the divisor at this step? The divisor is 3. So the HCF of these two numbers, that is 123 and 546 is 3. It means यहाँ पे देखिए HCF जो है वो 1 के इक्वल नहीं आया. Then what we will say? That 546 and 123 are not co-prime. Okay, understood? 6 is equal to 3 into 2 plus 0. So what we will write? That since HCF of 123 comma 546 is equal to 3. So 123 comma 546, 123 comma 546 are not co-prime. Okay, are not co-prime. Okay, understood? So let's solve the last question. Okay, मैं इस क्वेश्चन को रब कर रहा हूं. Okay, so the third question is you have to find out the HCF of 426 and 576. So what we will write? That since, again the same method, since 576 is greater than 426, so applying Euclid's division lemma, applying Euclid division lemma to 576 comma 426. Okay, understood? Let's start our process. तो यहाँ पे देखिए 576 was the greater number, so 576 को हम डिविडेंड लेंगे and 426 को हम डिवाइजर लेंगे. Okay, understood? Six minus 6 is 0, 7 minus 2 is 5, and 5 minus 4 is 1. Okay, so we will write 576 is equal to 426 into 1 plus 150. Okay, now again we will shift this 426 over here. So I think 150 into 3 will be how much? That is 450. So 450 will be greater than 426. Then we can't take that. तो हम क्या लेंगे? 150 into 2, that is 300. So remainder क्या आएगा? 126. Remainder will be 126. So we'll write 426 was the dividend in this step. 150 was the divisor and quotient was 2 and remainder was 126. Again we'll move one step further. 126. So remainder is what? Remainder is 24. So what we will write that 150 is equal to 126 into 1 plus 24. Okay, understood? Now again we will shift this 126 over here. So यहाँ पे मैं बना रहा हूँ आगे का portion. 24 into 5, I think it is 120. Remainder is 6. So what we'll write that 126 can be written as 126 is the dividend. So divisor is 24, quotient is 5 and remainder is 6. Okay, understood? So now इस 24 को अब यहाँ शिफ्ट करते हैं हम. So 6 into 4 that is 24. तो यहाँ पे देखिए remainder 0 आ गया. Means हमें HCF मिल गया है. 24 can be written as 24 was the dividend. So dividend is equal to divisor is 6, quotient is 4 and remainder is 0. Okay, understood? So what we will write that since HCF of what was the number 426, since HCF of 426 comma 576 is equal to 6 means 1 के equal नहीं है, then what we will say that 426 and 576 are not co-prime. Okay, therefore 426 comma 576 are not co-prime. Okay, okay, understood? तो यहाँ पे देखिए हम लोगों ने दो क्वेश्चंस आज सॉल्व किए. The first question was to find out the HCF of three numbers by using Euclid's division algorithm. And what was the second question? We used the Euclid's division algorithm to check whether the given two numbers are co-prime or not. Okay, understood? I think ये clear हो गया होगा. Okay, so आज के क्लास में इतना ही. नेक्स्ट क्लास में मिलते हैं कुछ और क्वेश्चंस के साथ. So thank you very much.